First up, this is incredibly sleek MagSafe tripod stand. It is lightweight, completely wireless, and check out how effortlessly it extends. That is going to make on-the-go filming and daily vlogs so much easier. But this is the real game changer. A magnetic selfie screen. It has its own remote control. It snaps right onto the back of my phone so I can finally use the high quality main camera while still seeing my framing. Pair that, pair this with an ultra strong magnetic suction mount and I can film hands free effortlessly anywhere. I'm so excited to level up my content with these and let me know in the comment which item you want to see full review of first. Don't forget to like and follow for more. Bye for now. See you when I see you.